Alright, what's going on, Crack-A-Lack family? Back here with another video. We got a super clean video to do today on the boat here on a John boat. Then we did a video right here on a while back on like cleaning the John boat. But here we have a spray bottle that's super clean. It also comes in a foam version. We're going to be showing you guys how to clean Hydroturf for all the boat guys out there that have Hydroturf. We're here at the boat. What is this? A car wash. We got the brushes. We got the power washers. We're going to clean this thing up today. Let's get it. Alright, so we're going to be sticking with the spray today. The spray is going to be easier for us. We can get into all the angles we want to squirt in. Hey,
yo, man,
can we get a timeout?
we need a commercial break. We need a commercial break.
Pause. And also, we can clean tires, anything like that with the spray bottle here. Why not? Let's get started, right? We're going to spray it down. Before we start scrubbing, we're going to show a before picture and have some videos of like what it is before and what it is after. That'll be on the screen here. Alright, so like we said, we're going to take the spray bottle, spray it down. I'm going to do just about here, this whole front of the half. What we're trying to do is get like a before and after so you guys can see like a side to side of like what is going on. So we're going to spray, I guess, this first half of the deck with the super clean product. Now that we have that sprayed down, we're going to use a brush, a foam brush, and try to scrub it down. Now this boat has been sitting out for a good 3+ years, so who knows what type of grimy breast has on this Hydroturf here. Now again, we are not sponsored. That is the product they gave to us to do in the video. Also, at the end of the video, if you guys want to stick around, we have a little giveaway. If you guys want to win some super clean products or maybe some merchandise, who knows? Stay tuned for the end of the video. 3 rinse here. We're just going to rinse it down, and then we're going to grab the brush and scrub that down.
Look at the difference.
Yeah. Alright, so just there, we just did a full cleaning within probably 5 minutes. It didn't even take that long. Just scrub on, scrub off, maybe less than that, you know? And you can see the difference. Look at that. And like I said, we started with the first half, and then look over here to the other half. Like, this is all the yuck, even back here, like, we're going to transform this baby. That's more of the story. It's super clean. Get your products, man. I mean, this is something else, man. All right, so yeah, we'll just keep continuing cleaning the rest of the boat. We're not just going to clean the first half, right? But to bore you guys, we're just going to save you the boredom and show you guys the end result. I mean, that is clean. Like, that is dirty. We're going to clean this up, show you guys the end review, and I'll catch you guys soon. So, as you guys can see, it's all top notch. I mean, what can you say? Super clean. All thanks to him. We used a brush and we didn't add any more products. That's all we did, and we pressure washed it. As you guys can see from before, like looking at the screen now, like this wasn't as white as it was. Super clean, really did a good job of getting the tough stain out. So like I said, 3 years of sitting here, did a good job. So like I said, if you guys want to do the super clean giveaway, all you guys got to do is like and comment super clean, and you will be picking for our chosen winner of our super clean products. I will DM you, send you an email, and the winners will be announced in the next video. I mean, I'm going to enjoy my freaking clean boat. Might be go out fishing, who knows, man. Super clean. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, and share. Peace.